You're cruising down the highway, windows down, music up, just thinking about what's for dinner. Everything feels right. Then, out of nowhere, silence. The engine just cuts out. No sputtering, no warning. The steering wheel gets heavy, the gas pedal goes dead, and the symphony of the road is replaced by a terrifying quiet as headlights fill your rearview mirror. That feeling of being a sitting duck in a river of traffic is a driver's absolute worst nightmare. But it doesn't have to end in disaster. Introduction. That sudden engine-off silence is one of the most frightening things you can experience in a car. It leaves you feeling completely helpless. But what if you knew why it happens? What if you could swap that panic for a clear-headed plan? In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain on the sudden stall. We'll break down the 5 most common reasons your car might just die without warning. We won't just talk about what breaks, but why it breaks and the specific symptoms you can watch out for. Most importantly, we'll walk you through the immediate safety steps to get yourself out of a dangerous spot. By the end, you'll be armed with the knowledge to spot potential issues, react safely if it happens, and maybe even keep it from happening in the first place. So, let's get into it.